This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 10th, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the news. The number of U.S. workers filing new claims for jobless benefits fell unexpectedly by 9,000 to the lowest level of claims since mid-January. Initial filings for state unemployment insurance claims slid to 297,000 in the week ending May 5th from an upward revised 306,000 the prior week. The U.S. trade deficit widened more than expected in March to $63.9 billion as higher oil prices helped push total imports to the second highest on record. The trade gap swelled 10.4% from February, surprising Wall Street economists who had expected a more modest expansion. The midpoint estimate of analysts surveyed before the report pegged the March trade gap at roughly $60 billion. Retailers released their monthly sales figure, and weak performers cut through all segments of the industry and included Walmart stores, which recorded a rare drop in business, as well as Abercrombie & Fitch and Federated Department Stores. The outlook for consumer spending in the coming months grew dimmer after a big retailer reported that their sales are being hurt by rising gasoline prices and the weak housing markets. In other news, the European Central Bank held its key interest rate steady at 3.75%, but set the stage for an increase to 4% next month because of concerns about inflation. The Bank of England raised official interest rates by a quarter point to 5.5%, the highest level in 6 years, on Thursday in a bid to tackle persistent inflationary pressures in the economy. In earnings news, EchoStar Communications said its first quarter profit rose 7%. Net income climbed to $157.1 million, or 35 cents per share, from $147.3 million, or 33 cents per share, a year ago. Sara Lee, which makes Jimmy Dean sausages and frozen cheesecakes, said net income rose to $116 million, or 16 cents per share, from $42 million, or 6 cents per share, a year ago. Income from continuing operations totaled 15 cents in the latest period, up from 10 cents last year. Interstate's hotels' net income leaped to $17.2 million, or 54 cents per share, compared with $746,000, or 2 cents per share in the year-ago period. The current quarter results include a $17.6 million gain related to the January sale of its Bridge Street corporate housing unit. Scheduled economic reports for Friday include the Producer Price Index for April and business inventories for March. Scheduled earnings reports for Friday include Movie Gallery, Alcatel, MS Communication, Helen of Troy Corp., and Sabre Holdings. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 10th, 2007.